What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is McKenna and I post new videos every week. So if you like this video or you just like to see more of me, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram or Twitter or Snapchat or all of those. So today we are going to go thrifting. I'm going to visit a bunch of thrift stores in my area. It is super hot in my car right now. Oh my god. Your girl needs some water. Hold on 1 second. But yeah, we're gonna go thrifting today. I don't have anything to do today. All my friends are like working. For some reason, everybody in the world works on Saturdays except for me. So I'm going to go thrifting by myself. I wore this shirt today because, I thrifted this too. Isn't it cute? But yeah, anyways, it's really hot in my car, so I should probably start driving about now. Make sure you keep watching this video. And make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you so much for all of you and everybody that has subscribed to my channel so far. I love you guys so much, and we're only going to get bigger and better from here. So yeah, let's go thrifting. This is our first stop of the day. Fun fact, these people moved out because they hate how loud we are. Okay, so I just got home and I'm gonna start trying on the stuff for you guys and like letting you know how it fits, what it feels like, and like what my plan to do with them are, because there's a couple things that I'm gonna like cut and crop and change. But yeah, let's get started with the first set of things. Okay, so this is the first top that I got. This one was from Goodwill, and it's like this really silky material, and it's really big, but I kind of like it that way because it looks more like kind of casual and comfortable looking. And then I figured I could like dress it up and tuck it into some jeans with like some layered necklaces or something, and it could be really cute. So yeah, this was the first one, and I think this was like $3. So yeah, really like this one. This top is also from Goodwill. It is the brand Lulu's, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, okay, like I need to get my hands on that because I know originally this was probably like $25, maybe more. So yeah, I want to say this is a steal. But it's a really casual look. I think it's like very beachy, and maybe if you were going to like a little bonfire, or just gonna go like hang out with the family on like a little casual day. Okay, so I can't really tell if I like this or I hate it. I kind of just got this as I was like checking out. I saw it just hanging and I was like, oh, it's cropped, it's kind of cute. I think with like white jeans and like some really cute wedges, it could be like a little wine tasting vibes, or something a little bit more like dressy. But I don't know, something about it feels kind of weird. What do you guys think? Do we like it? Do we not like it? How do we feel? Let me know in the comments how we feel about this, because I'm confused. But yeah, looks like that. So this is one of the shirts that I do want to do like a thrift flip with, because like I think this shirt would be super cute. Like obviously it doesn't like, looks pretty basic, but like the neckline, there's something about like necklines that are like this, that are like thicker and they're kind of like wider, that are just really nice like looking to me, and they just like fit well, and I don't know, looks cute. So I think cropped, this definitely has a lot of potential, maybe with like some light wash like jeans and some Air Force Ones. This would be really cute. This one was also from Goodwill, and I think this one was like $4, $5. I have like a just like a nude bra underneath, but I think it's so cute. It's like a little like, I need to stop saying like, it's a little cover up, and I think this is just like such fun like beach vibes. It would be so cute in a picture just because it's like textured and it like adds more dimension. Now we're gonna move on to jeans, because I did find a few pairs of jeans there. It's kind of hard for you to see, but these ones have like a pattern on them. They're really cute. So I really liked that, and they're super soft and just really nice fitting. Yeah, they look like this, and they're like a little bit big, but like not overly big to the point where like I can't wear them. And then they have like that nice little design on them, and then they're like kind of long. But yeah, we like the jeans. These jeans are also from Goodwill, and I was really surprised that I found these because they're a size 2, which is like actually my size, and so that means they like fit. Yeah, usually anytime I get jeans from anywhere like that, they don't ever have my size. Like size 2s or anything smaller, like in between like a 2 and a 4 is like always gone. So I was like, shoot, this is like a once in a lifetime opportunity. I better seize my moment. So that's why I got these ones. So a lot of you guys are probably gonna think that these pants are really weird. They're definitely made for older women, but I looked them up and they're like $35 to $45, and I got them for like $3. So it's kind of a steal, but they look like, I don't know, you'll see. They kind of look like parachute, like not parachute pants. They're just really loose fitting, comfortable denim, like colored pants, and they kind of cinch at the waist, but something about them just was like, okay, you know, maybe we like them, maybe we should get them. And then I was kind of debating on whether or not I should cut them into shorts or not, but I don't know, I'm kind of feeling them as pants. So I think I'm gonna keep them fully intact until I decide if I want them to be shorts or not, because once you make them shorts, you can't really go back. Everything before this was from Goodwill, and then these next 3 things, they were all from this other thrift store called Classy Rags. I went to 2 other ones, but literally found nothing, so it's just these 2 stores. But this is a Harley Davidson long sleeve shirt, and I don't know why, but I've been wanting a Harley Davidson t-shirt to like cut up and crop for the longest time. So anytime I see anything that is Harley Davidson, I always like gravitate toward it. So yeah, it looks like this from the front, and then it has like a little colored logo thing on the back. But I think what I'm gonna do with this is I think I'm gonna crop this one, so I might make it go like right there. I think it'd be really cute cropped with like maybe like literally like this, like jean shorts, and maybe like some black Air Force Ones and like a black backpack and some silver jewelry. I think that'd be really cute. Maybe like a silver belt, the bigger buckle. But I really like this one actually. I like it a lot more than I thought I was going to. It's just like a really cute color. I didn't get these this time that I went thrifting, but the last time I went thrifting, I found these belts, and I just wanted to show you guys so you know that like don't knock the belts until you go look at them, because like belts can add so much to an outfit, and you can hear this one like jingling. So I got this belt, and it's just like this little brown belt, but the buckle is so cute. It looks really nice with anything that I pair it with. I got this belt, and I'm positive this is like a costume belt piece, but it's just like gold coins, and it looks really cute. If you want to add anything extra to your outfit, belts are like a really nice way to do that. Yeah, don't forget about your belts, ladies. This is the last thing that I have, like the last clothing piece that I have. It was also from that second thrift store, but it's just this Calvin Klein button up that I tied up and then like buttoned the first one, and I think it's so cute. Like this is probably my favorite thing that I got. It was like $3 and I couldn't be happier. It looks like this when it's all tied up and like cute looking, but if I untie it, like it's like so boring, but I'll show you. But untied, it looks like that. It's kind of just like boxy, but I mean even this is cute if you like unbutton it and wear like one of those like lingerie looking tops. I have one of those. Definitely my favorite thing. And then the very last things that I got were these little gold square earrings, because I thought they'd be really cute, like specifically with this outfit. So yeah, I got these, but I need to like clean them, because getting earrings from a thrift store, like you better let these babies sit in some hydrogen peroxide for a minute before you put them in your ears. But yeah, so that was like the try on clothing segment of the video. Before I end it, I wanted to give you guys like a couple tips and tricks when it comes to thrift shopping. that some people, you know, might know, might not know. Number one, when you go in, you need to go in with a lot of time on your hands. Don't go in with like 30 minutes. You need to go in with a couple hours because it's gonna take you a minute to like go through all the clothes, and that's the only way you're gonna find stuff. You're only gonna find stuff if you're really looking through every piece, which takes a long time. So yeah, just set aside your time would be my first recommendation. Okay, second thing would be to wear like something very easy to slip on and off, just like when you go to the mall, when you go anywhere to try on clothes, or you know, if you're looking for something. So I wore a big t-shirt and some little like slide on and off sandals and some shorts, so it was really easy to take on and off. Third thing would be when you're trying on their clothes, their try-on rooms, their fitting rooms are not the cleanest things that you've ever been in your life. So what I do is I think I have a video of it, so I'll probably, you know, insert the video of it. But I slide my foot out of my shoe, and since I'm wearing like slide-on sandals, I just stand on top of them. That way I'm not like having my bare feet on the floor. So yeah, those are just things that I've learned from thrifting, and I hope that you can do as well. You know, with summer coming up and you wanting to go on trips and vacations, you can save a little bit of money by thrifting. And that is literally, I am like addicted to buying clothes, and thrifting is the only way that I save money. Pretty much thrifting and online shopping from like inexpensive stores. So yeah. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you already subscribed, thank you. Everybody that made it all the way through to the end, just know that I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!